and welcome back to my channel. So tonight, from the title, you already know what type of video it's gonna be. It's gonna be another hair video. Like, I'm popping these out like they're babies, you know, they are my babies. I should actually give them names now. So tonight I am back with a review on this it's a half wig. Yeah, it's a half wig from LuvMeHair. So I picked this up from LuvMeHair. This video is not sponsored. I did pick it up. This is their half wig in 18 inches, and it is in a natural color, and it's a virgin hair, and it comes with 4 clips at the top and 1 at the back with some adjustable strap. So shipping on this wig took 4 days to get to me, which isn't bad. I have to say that it's not bad at all. What I did receive in the box was those little makeup little, we call them toiletry bags, with like the hair clips, the hairpins, and it did send me this little clip that had LuvMeHair on it in diamondy rhinestone. I did actually love that. Like, thank you so much for that, LuvMeHair. And they did send me a tweezer as well as a, sorry, it dropped. They sent me a scarf. I've been dying to get one of these, especially if I am trying to secure my wigs. If I'm not doing my wigs glueless, then I can just do that and just tie it around. Yeah, so I'm really happy that I got one of this, because I was gonna go to the tailor store and purchase one, the material store, and purchase one for myself. But anyways, the hair, after I received it, being with the whole thing that's going on now with coronavirus, I still wasn't taking no check. You guys know from day one I always preach on my channel, wash your wigs before you apply them to your head. I always will preach that. So I did go ahead and wash the wig upon receiving it. So this is the curl pattern after co-washing it. I have not applied any products to this hair as yet. Reason why I did purchase this wig, well, half wig I should say, is because I wanted to do a half up half down style where I let the front of my hair out. I do have a little ponytail that I do use from time to time. I have not reviewed that ponytail because it's just something simple, and I normally use that when I don't want to let my natural hair out on the back for a poof and I just want something to look straight. I do use that ponytail, so I'm gonna use that ponytail and put it on the top while I have this at the back curl up, so it'd be like the perfect half up half down. I did see Freetress have their, what you call, their half up half down style that they came out with. So after watching a few videos, I'm like, all right, when I went on Freetress website, I think they were selling it for like 30 or 40 something dollars, and I'm like, you know, if I really want to do that half up half down style, which that's like one of my favorite styles. If you guys see in a couple previous videos I have before this, way back when, I have used half up half down styles with a lot of my human hair wigs, which I do have sewn onto a U-part. I will catch up mine, but I do use the kinky curly though. So this one I'm definitely excited. I will do a video on it this weekend of me styling my hair, just sharing with you guys how I do it. So this is the hair. It's very lovely, it's bouncy. I can't wait to curl it to see if it holds curls really good or not. And actually, a joke about this, I actually did purchase this hair before, well, same type, but the cap, I thought with half wigs that I would have to get the regular size, my regular size head, which is like a 23.5. Yes, my head is very big, plus I have a lot of hair. So when I got that wig, it was a bit too big for me, so I did, however, give it away to my, I think I gave it to my aunt when my cousins had visit. So that was like a good, what, 2 years ago probably, or a year and a half ago, something to that effect. So I was thinking, I was like, crap, if I had that. But even if I did have it, it still wouldn't work because it was a bit too big for my head. So I went ahead and got their regular size, and this is the size medium. So they don't have the cap in size small, they only have it in a medium on their website, which works perfectly good for me. I do love that. So I will be back with me installing this hair for you guys. So until the installation video, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Please stay safe, guys. Stay inside, okay? Stay inside and save lives. Bye.